Hello, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today we're looking at a 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX. This SLX has the white hull with the quantum blue accent stripe. It also includes the black powder coated trailer. It's got the nice Sea Ray badging on it, along with your disc brakes. This boat is powered by a 6.2 350 horsepower Bravo 3 Mercruiser. With the SLX, you're getting a dynamic running surface. It's also equipped with the submersible swim platform. You got your ladder right there as well. With the lighting package, you got your underwater lighting. Also in the grill here. And also in the emblem. Stepping up on the back of the boat, you can see the nice sun deck along with your submersible platform again. Nice sun pad. You got your cup holders. Lighting continued with the USB charger, which is nice. You got a nice cooler inside here with a drain. Easy access. Plenty of storage. And this is where you turn on your batteries. Enough room for all your water sports. Walking into the boat here, you got your controller, control your radio. Nice storage under here. Little doggy door, small child door. Another step to get outside of the boat. Continued lighting. Your controls for your power tower, which also has the ability to extend even further out, covering this area here. You can see the additional lighting. Both of these seats will convert coming back towards you. This continues the conversations in the boat, giving you so many possibilities. Coming up to the helm, plenty of controls. You've got your dual Simrad screens, Fusion radio with the sub, all your controls over here. You've got your trim tabs, you have lighting inside your cup holders. Nice phone charger here, makes it nice. Bolster seats on both sides. Continue to look at the lighting. And going into the head area, one of my favorite pieces. When you open that up, nice little magnet holds that door secure. Very roomy, nicely lit. It is equipped with the vacuum flush. Nice lockable cabinet here. Walking up to the front. Beautiful boat. Please come and check out all our great lines of Sea Rays here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks.